Most people never believe this. Obstructive sleep apnea has been linked with non-alcoholic fatty liver disease. Studies suggest this connection may be related to repeated oxygen drops during sleep. This is called intermittent hypoxia, when your body repeatedly gets low oxygen at night. Over time, this can contribute to inflammation and metabolic stress in the body, not just affecting sleep, but internal health too. CpapRX supports structured CPAP care to help manage sleep apnea consistently. Book your sleep consultation now at cpaprx.com.